How to hide story highlights on Instagram from someone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide story highlights on your Insta from your followers. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your Insta. After you head over to your Insta, simply go to your profile. Tap on the bottom right corner and you're there. Now what you'll need to do is you will see all of your highlights there, and if you want to hide it from anyone, that is your followers, what you'll need to do is hide that very person from your story. Now you need to hide your story from them and basically your highlights will get hidden too. Now to do that, you can simply tap on the three lines on the top right. After you're there, you can scroll down till you see your story, or you can simply see hide story and live under who can see your content. Now tap on hide story and live and simply tap on one, and you can select your followers from here. Now after you select anyone that you want, simply tap on done, and now these persons will not be able to view your story highlights. And that is basically it guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.